Hi students, exercise 2.5, question number 4. Integrate the following with respect to x. Question number 4, x into log x. Okay, in this previous question, log x, this is not integrate the function, integrand function. Therefore, this is differentiable function only. Okay, therefore, log x you should take u. Okay, because this is not integrable function. Okay, therefore, this is differentiable function alone, log x. Therefore, here x into log x, integrate with respect to x. Therefore, log x you should take a u, and the remaining part is x into dx is nothing but dv. Okay. Therefore, here also using integration by parts method, integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. Okay, using that formula we get the answer. Okay, now going to see the solution. This is the question, x into log x, x into log x. Okay, u must be take log x, remaining part is dv. Okay, that is x into dx is nothing but integral dv. Okay, so why? Because log x is differentiable function only, not integrable function. Okay, now here differentiate with respect to x mean du by dx equal to log x differentiation is nothing but 1 by x, du by dx equal to 1 by x. Therefore, du equal to nothing but dx. Okay, next integral dv. Integral dv is nothing but integral x into dx. Okay, left hand side integration is d and integral symbol cancel. Therefore, v alone equal to x into dx. What is the integration of x into dx? Using this x power n formula, x power n into dx equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Here n not equal to minus 1. Okay, so here adding the power, that is x square plus 1 mean 2. Okay, therefore x square divided by 2 is the integral value. Okay, now using integration by parts formula, this is the integration by parts, integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. This is the formula. Okay, now substitute here. Now substitute in this formula, integral u duv, integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. U is nothing but log x, v is nothing but x square divided by 2 minus integral v. V term is x square divided by 2, x square divided by 2 into du is nothing but 1 by x into dx. Okay. Okay, here only. Now simplify this mean. So 1 x term will be cancelled. Therefore, x into dx. So 1 by 2 is take out. Therefore, left hand side, this means x square divided by 2 into log x minus 1 by 2 into x into dx. In this case, here alone you can integrate with respect to x. Okay, these terms are keep as it is, minus 1 by 2. So x power 1 into dx. Okay, you know the integration formula, integral x power n into dx equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Here n not equal to minus 1. Okay, therefore integration. Okay, so integrate with respect to x mean x square divided by 2 plus c. Okay, now simplify. Now simplify mean x square divided by 2 take out common. Okay, here x square divided by 2 take out common. Okay, rest of the term is log x minus 1 by 2 plus c. This is the integration value. Integral x into log x into dx is equal to x square divided by 2 into log x minus 1 by 2 plus c. Okay, very important. Integral log x and this sum also.